It's not even. It's not in frame.
Is the Gatorade supposed to be in there?
Welcome to today's episode of Eating Things with Spoons. I'd like to start today's show by thanking all the fans for giving their suggestions in the comments. We've been getting so many suggestions, I hope no one's too crabby about what we picked. Today's episode was inspired by She Loves DJ, a Full House fan.
Action.
Let's break a leg. That's one way to do it.
Is there a better pair than crab and butter? Yikes. I know I just anointed hot dogs the most difficult challenge on the show, but crabs really take the cake on this one. I'm usually pretty good with the spoon, but today we felt helpless, almost like crabs in a bucket. I feel like I have to one-up hot dogs at least a little bit. So, in conclusion, crabs are a -5 out of 10.
Losing battles, losing battles. Yeah, we want it like that.
Right there?
Yeah.